would like to request all the students, please. Welcome, sir. All the guardian members, please clap, please put your hands together.
Show, as I told you, unless the principal, the staff, the management, the society for which was established for the cause of the education, imparting education to the budding children of this area. In fact, I honor this effort. The effort that was taken up by the management and also the founder. I was also one of the students in such college known as Indian Christian College in Meghalaya, where on all the foundation day we used to have work projects. We worked for the college that day, cleaning surrounding the college, doing some work